Hey, I'm Leo, and this is Gizmo's Quick Tips. I want to tell you guys about Wyze.com. I found them about a year ago. Love their products. I ordered their cameras first, but they have all kinds of products. The little indoor camera that they have is like $19 a piece. Very easy to set up, an incredible app that comes with it to configure it. It does off-site recording, captures clips for motion and sound. It's very, very impressive. The outdoor cameras, I have several of those set up. Very easy to set up, configure, mount, and they do a great job. Their batteries last about 6 months of outdoor recording and continuous use, which is very impressive. They've made a set of headphones that are very, very nice and very affordable. These headphones are noise canceling, completely shut out all the sound around you so that you can focus on whatever you're listening to. Incredible thermostat, similar to the Nest that came out years ago. This thermostat allows you to make adjustments as you walk in and out of rooms. It detects motion. It learns from your habits and starts to control your HVAC system automatically. They have door locks, they have vacuums, scale. They have a exercise band similar to a Fitbit, water controller, sprinkler controller, smart plugs. Let's take a look at some of the pricing. This is what's really incredible about them. These guys came from Amazon, and they were trying to come out with pricing that was very affordable for everyone. They just felt like the existing market was just way overpriced for any of the smart devices that were out there. So they've worked very hard to reduce the cost of all of the products. Like I said, they have this watch for $20, this outdoor plug that's controllable and programmable for each one of the outlets. You can use your smart assistants, the Echo, the Google, the Apple, to control these. You can also set up routines to turn them on and off at different times. You can just put them on timers if you want to. The camera, the indoor camera, is amazing. $20 for that camera. Probably one of the least expensive cameras, and it's super high quality. The robot vacuum is only $200 right now, and it's very comparable to any of the $500 or $600 cameras, vacuums that you'll see out on the market. Thermostat, $50, and that compares to $250 for other thermostats. Noise canceling headphones, $50. So really check these guys out. It's just Wyze.com, and just amazing products. If you need help, definitely check with the nerds. They can help you with any kind of config or setup, or even help you design a fully automated system if you want to. So check us out. You can always find us over at neighborhoodnerds.com, and you can call or text the main number 622-2422 to talk to a nerd immediately. You can also send us an email over at help@gizmocaresinc.com. Thanks.